Hi, we're the McVeans. This is my wife Holly and I'm Chris. Karen and Sheila were the realtors for our property here, and they spent a tremendous amount of time looking for a house for us while we were living in Canada. They sent us numerous options. We looked at them all, discussed them all until we came across this one. And when they sent us the pictures of this house, we knew that it was really the one for us.
It was perfect.
It was perfect, and we are very, very happy here. The transaction went very smoothly, and Karen and Sheila, the dynamic duo, have a great support team behind them, and they ensured that all of the paperwork was done properly. Everything with the
Transaction.
everything with the transaction went smooth. All the paperwork was done to everybody's satisfaction, and quite frankly, we are very, very happy to be here.